Reneto Adams here. 4 heavily armed members of the criminal gang down in Mount Salem have just fired multiple shots at me, sir. I need backup. Yes. Yes, come in, yes. It's not Reneto fired. Up in the Mount Salem area. Commissioner, I need you to send 4 men on duty round the bottom of Mount Salem Road, coming up through the gutters of Orange Spring. Right at one place on one part where they make a chop coming at the bed line. Yes, come in. Yeah, me underneath Mount Salem. Underneath the bottom of Mount Salem, me there. Underneath some wardrobe, some boat. Yes, and me about to see some houses. On the left angle, sir. Alright. Yes, come in. Yes, come in, dear. I see a man running inside our house, sir. I can see a female in here, sir. Take your blood clot out. Go on. Come on, I was not hearing one. Oh, you can talk to you now. Come on, sir.